Hey guys, Nerdy Barbarian here. I just got a quick unboxing I wanted to get on camera real quick. This is one I've been looking forward to, and it finally showed up. I'm going to open it with a related knife, the Herman Vespertilio. That should tell you what's in here. This one is not coming all the way from Europe. I got this one used, so let's hope it's everything it was supposed to be. Beautiful. Love to see it. Big old Herman H. And the certificate of authenticity fell out of its little holder there. No big deal. I forget how heavy these are. Number 12. This is an early one. This is the B. This is the one that caught my eye. Honestly, before the Vespertilio caught my eye, the B caught my eye. I just haven't had occasion to grab one yet. There wasn't one for sale on Polish Custom Knives at the time that I picked up this. But this one showed up on Blade Binge and the price was right, so I snagged it. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. She's a Butte Clark.
It's a Butte Clark, it's a Butte.
I didn't realize it was gold anode. This is the Herman B. Purple anno, gold anno on the backspacer and clip. So that flipper is pretty polished. My Vespertilio's got this stonewash thing going on. This is polished. No lock rock, no blade play. Looks like a factory edge. And that thing is a nice slim profile. Very similar knives, really. The B's a little bit, it feels a little more sleek and slender. The Vespertilio kind of feels like maybe a B that ate too much. It's more of a true Warncliffe on the B, and then a reverse Tanto is probably more appropriate to call the Vespertilio. Yeah, I think they're just about the exact same size, other than the width. It looks like in length they're about the same size. About the same amount of handle, about the same amount of blade. Doesn't feel significantly smaller in the hand. Yeah, maybe a little bit. You get more of a, well, this is still a 3.5 finger grip for me, kind of. I have fairly large hands, but it's kind of designed for your pinky to come out here on the back, on the Vespertilio. This does the same thing, it just doesn't have as long of a ramp for it. But my pinky wants to land here, so I have to kind of scoot it back to be here. That's fine. Nice and centered. That detent's weak compared to my Vespertilio. Whap! That one just flies right out. I mean, all I gotta do is give it the beans, it comes out. Or push button it. Push button's a little weak. Yeah, just a little weaker detent. I guess that happens. I believe Herman will tune the detent to your liking though, if you talk to them about it, but I'm not sure if you have to ship it all the way back to Europe or if they have an American service provider. I really don't know. I haven't had occasion to deal with their service yet. They have good customer service over email, so if you have any questions you can email them, they'll get back to you, and they're very helpful there. But I've never had to have physical service on any on this one knife that I have now too. So I'm unsure about if they have an American service provider. But really, these aren't that hard. It's just a nested liner lock. I've taken this one apart already, and I don't think at the time of recording that this video is out yet on the Vespertilio. But watch for that. They're not too bad to take apart. And all you have to do if you want to get a little more detent is just barely tweak this lock bar over in a little bit to give it a little more pressure. So the detent ball presses on the blade tang a little harder, and that'll clear up the detent. But even pressing really light, no, I can feel it. Yeah, if I want to. It came out that time. It's not bad. It just doesn't have that satisfying funk that the Vespertilio does. Man, yeah, the Vespertilio just sounds so much better. Not sure why that is. If it's something to do with the construction, because it's narrower, not as wide. More smaller body, higher pitch, shorter frequency noise coming out of it, maybe. Or maybe it's just because it's flipping out weak. I really don't know. I may tinker with this. I may tweak that lock bar over.
6.5 hours later.
I might send them an email first to make sure that it's not going to like void my warranty or something if I do that. But there you go. I'm going to carry this around, see what I think of it, compare it to the Vespertilio. Expect the Vespertilio video to come out first because I've been carrying it for a while. This will be a little later down the road, but if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the button and you'll get notified when I do get to this one. But just wanted to get that on camera real quick before I start messing around with it, carrying it. Thanks guys, I'll see you on the next one.